Burglars cut a hole in a wall of a coffee store bathroom to break into Apple's store and take $500,000 in items. Police in Washington say more than 430 iPhones were stolen. Are you telling me that there's an Apple store attached to a convenience store? Oh, sorry. That's a separate video up there, 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Police in Washington say crafty burglars got away with hundreds of thousands of dollars of Apple merchandise at a mall when they cut through the wall of the adjacent store and stuck in. The Linwood Police Department said thieves stole more than 400 items worth about $500,000 total. It's not hard to add up to $500,000 once you're in the Apple store. There's a high value items in there. The incident happened after 7 p.m. Sunday while the mall was closed. The owner of the espresso machine store said he has not seen anything like it in the 5 years the store's been in business. Well, yeah, I don't think it's going to be a fairly frequent thing. So here you can see the hole in the bathroom all the way through a couple layers of drywall. Not the biggest hole, actually, but enough for a person to fit through in between probably wherever the studs happen to be, rip out the insulation. Boom, you're in the Apple store. I mean, I assume at that point you're still going to be setting off a motion alarm?
That's a good question. Because to take out 450 iPhones?
Yeah, you're going in and out.
Would that take a while? That might take a while, right?
That's going to take a while. The hole is 24 by 18, and it takes you into the back room of the Apple store. It is an inside job.
You think so?
No, I'm just allegedly. I know nothing.
I'm guessing there's no cameras there.
The Apple Store's employees had no idea the merchandise had been stolen until they arrived for work the next day. I have my questions, Will. You have to know that bathroom is where it's going to take you. Approximately 436 iPhones in total were taken from the back. Communications manager Maren McKay told Fox News Digital in a statement. The crime appeared to be organized and sophisticated in operation. Organized.
Wouldn't you just need like a layout of the mall plans? And then just figured like, okay, this is where the steel beams are. And then
no, that's fine. But how do you know the 436 iPhones, their location within the Apple store in the back room? It would have to be
specific to the building plans of Apple in the mall to know where the back rooms are.
Yeah, right? but again, the back room is not enough. You have to be on the other side of the cage. You would need to know the internal. You would need to know a lot about the Apple store.
Yeah.
Or you would need to get to somebody who knows a lot about the app. You don't need the plans if you've just toured back there. If you've been back there once, or you talk to somebody who's been back there once, that's good enough. There's your plans. They go, it's in the back over here to the left, on the left side of the store. And then you go, oh, let me go to the coffee shop or the coffee grinder store, whatever the hell it was, next door and see what's at the back right. Oh, look at that. It's a bathroom. Bingo. Let's go. We're in there. And maybe also you would like to know whatever type of security exists in that particular region as well. And as you mentioned, if you get away with 436 iPhones, you're going to be in a situation where you know you're going to have enough time to do so. So therefore, you probably know something about the anti-theft setup in that region as well, as far as alarms go and everything else.
So sophisticated.
Well, I think that's where the word organized and sophisticated comes in. And I think the manager there might be sending some signals without saying it. Or the Linwood Police Department communications manager might be sending some signals without saying it. Well, but myself, I'm just talking. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking and talking and pontificating, and that's it.
All right.
Everything is alleged. Yeah. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.